Right down her head, her body, her butt, her back legs, her flanks, onto the cinch. Now we'll start coming underneath her chest. Notice how the flag stick always stays between her and I. I don't want the flag stick on the other side of the horse when I'm over here, because if she was to spook or blow up, she would run me over. She took that, no issue. Same thing. Notice whenever I'm tarping a horse or flagging a horse or desensitizing a horse, I only have 1.5 feet, 2 foot of rope here because I don't want her hip to be able to get past me if she goes forward. The other thing, if she tries to run into me or square me up to strike me, I can just put a hand right here on the side of her face, and that will keep me out of harm's way.